Okay, students, let us continue the next paragraph from the story. Martha, already we know one of the main characters of this story, wife of Robert Baldwin. Martha asks if the depositor will lose their deposits, what they have paid in the bank. She asks like that. For the question, Baldwin says they won't lose even a single cent because Gresham and he have done some other arrangements for it from the money Gresham had. Gresham had some amount. From the amount, both of them had done some arrangement. So nobody lost anything. So everything was perfect. And also, Robert Baldwin says that his bank has been taken over by Mr. Marshall. Already I told you, one of the characters in the story, Mr. Marshall, who is the president of the Third National Bank, and he is on reorganizing it. For Martha's questions, Baldwin says that nobody lost anything from that bank. Everything was perfect because both of them, Gresham and Robert Baldwin, had some arrangements from the money which was had by the Gresham. Okay, and also he told that Mr. Marshall took over the bank. He was the president of the Third National Bank. Okay. From the previous paragraph, we studied that nobody lost anything from the bank, how much they have paid. Everything was returned to the depositors. So, now next paragraph. Since no one is going to lose anything, the family asks Baldwin why not he accept his offer and save him. So everything was perfect in that bank. Gresham made some misappropriation in that bank, but all the depositors were returned the amount how much they had paid. So the family members asked Baldwin to accept the offer. Offer means the money. Okay, the Gresham told Baldwin he was ready to give some amount to save him. To say the three words, I don't remember. The amount was $100,000. All the three means the family members except Robert Baldwin, Martha, John, and Eve. All the three try in different ways to convince Baldwin. Okay. At the beginning, the family members were against of John Gresham, but when they heard about the money, they totally changed. Okay, they forced Robert Baldwin to accept the offer and save him. They tried in different ways to convince Baldwin to accept the money. EV says when no depositor loses anything, there is no crime on the part of Gresham. Okay, what EV said means, according to EV, no mistakes done by John Gresham because nobody lost anything. All the depositors were returned how much they needed. So, no mistakes done by John Gresham. This is he told to her father. Next, according to John. John says that he has been named after Gresham, and so if Gresham goes to jail, it will be a shame to him. John said that Robert Baldwin named his son as John in memory of their friendship. Okay, so if Gresham goes to jail, it will be a very shame to John. Okay, this is John's point of view. And then Martha. Martha asked like that. Robert Baldwin would remember everything to be said in the court next day. For that, Robert Baldwin replies, he had notes. He had a habit using diary to mention about important events. So he replied her that he had diary, so he could say everything. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த பேராகிராஃப் என்ன சொல்கிற வராங்கன்னா, நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி சொன்னோம் இந்த 3 பர்சன்ஸும் வந்து அவனை கன்வீனியன்ஸ் பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஈவி என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, யாரும் எந்த அமௌண்ட்டும் லூஸ் பண்ணலை, ஸோ இது மிஸ்டேக்கு கிடையாது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஜான் என்ன சொல்கிறான்னா, அவர் ஜான் கிரன்ஷனுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பால் தான் எனக்கு நீங்கள் அவர் பேர் வச்சிங்க, ஸோ அவர் ஜெயில் போனால் இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஷேமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவன் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறான். உடனே மார்த்தா என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, ஸோ நாளைக்கு உங்களால் கோர்ட்டில் சொல்கிறது எல்லாத்தையும் ரிமெம்பர் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டதுக்கு ராபர்ட் பால்வின் என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, முடியும், ஏன்னா நான் நோட்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கேன், டைரி வச்சுருக்கேன், அதில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன் அப்படின்ற கான்செப்டை சொல்ல வர்றாரு.